वृंदावन जिला मथुरा
हैं? What?
myself बांके
myself बिहारी
Hi, I'm Kajol.
राधे राधे दीदी
राधे राधे.
रास्ता भूल गई क्या? Have you lost your way?
where come from
From Mumbai. नाम तो सुना होगा. शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, the land of stars, you know.
दीदी, if you're from Mumbai, you must have had darshan of Radha Girdhari ji,
Nah.
Radha Das Bihari ji, Radha Gopinath ji, ISKCON Chowpatty.
No, I've never even heard of these names, yeah.
Sorry, Didi. Then you're not just lost here, you're lost there also.
Whatever.
first time Vrindavan come
Yes.
how come never before
Actually, I don't even know where I am, dude.
भैया भैया माता जी को दूध चाहिए
अरे जा भीतर से दूध लेना.
Who even asked for दूध? Just let it be.
Really? You've never heard of Vrindavan before?
Actually, I was on my way to Amarnath. But then I got left behind at Mathura station. And then someone got me to Banke Bihari Ji temple, you know.
Bihari ji, Jai, how fortunate you are.
Fortunate? What fortunate? So much bheed bhar, so much crowd. I did not even get darshan, yeah.
going to अमरनाथ दर्शन वाले बाबा
ब्रिज में सारे तीर्थ हैं दीदी. All holy places reside here. कहीं जाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. You don't have to go anywhere else.
All holy places?
शंकर भगवान ने तो यही तो धूनी रमाई थी
What? He meditated here?
He has cried here, didi, helplessly to see our Lala.
But he is Devo ke Dev, Mahadev. If he wants to see Krishna, why should there be a problem, yeah?
दीदी कोई उपाधि नहीं चलती यहाँ पर. Here no one is a VIP. Rather everyone is a VIP here. Lord Shiva, he had come when a Lala had appeared. Oh Lala जन्म सुने आई, जशोदा मैया दे दो बधाई. लाला जन्म सुने आई, जशोदा मैया दे दो बधाई. दे दो बधाई मैया, दे दो बधाई. दे दो बधाई मैया, दे दो बधाई. लाला जन्म सुने आई, जशोदा मैया दे
सुनो 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 नंद और यशोदा के लाला हुआ है नंद एंड यशोदा हैव बीन ब्लेस्ड विद अ बेबी बॉय अच्छा सुना आपने यशोदा और नंद की लाला हुआ है
At last, our prayers have been answered. Chalo, chalo, let's go to Nandavan. Yes, yes,
let's go Did you hear that Nand Baba and Yashoda Maya are blessed with a baby boy
yes.
बधाई हो
यशोदा बधाई हो.
मैया बहुत बहुत बधाई हो.
यशोदा Yashoda Maya, please let us take darshan of your Lala now.
Na, Yashoda will definitely let me see her Lala. Na, kya Yashoda? Why not? You will put nazar on my Lala. No, I am not going to let you see him.
मैया नजर लगाने का नहीं नजर उतारने का सामान लेकर आए हैं।
हाँ मैया, at least look here Yashoda Maya. All the things we have got are to remove any kind of evil eye.
Arey Lala, you are more eager to see them than they are.
बधाई हो नंद।
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद।
आज तो दिल बहुत ही प्रसन्न हो गया। माई हार्ट इज फिल्ड विद जॉय। हाँ नंद बाबा, इतनी प्रसन्नता तो हमें कभी ना हुई। वी हैव नेवर एक्सपीरियंस सो मच ब्लेस इन आवर लाइव्स।
सिर्फ प्रेम है आप सब लोगों का। Love of Brijwasis is our only treasure, and that is why Lala has entered our lives.
सिर्फ इससे काम नहीं चलेगा, आज तो नाचना पड़ेगा। यस यस बाबा, यू विल हैव टू डांस।
But you know, I don't know how to dance.
Today we will not listen to any excuse.
I am yours. If you can make me dance, then I'm ready to dance.
अरे लाला, go quickly, get the turban cloth. We will chant our Nanda Baba today. But no person will come out on chanting our Nanda Baba. Only our Lala.
Lord Shiva could not see little Krishna?
हाँ ओ जी नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया
But why?
हाँ
But why? Didn't he get darshan? He is Mahadev. Did anyone realize that, dude?
Okay, Didi, let me explain. Earlier, you were telling me you had gone to Banke Bihari Mandir.
Yes.
Darshan bhai.
Now.
You were also mentioning you had a VIP pass,
Yes, I did. But
that pass failed. दर्शन केवल प्रयास से ना हो पाए दीदी, ठाकुर जी की कृपा की भी आवश्यकता पड़े है. The Lord's mercy is required too.
but how do we receive this mercy?
Only through his devotee, Didi.
I still don't get it. Why did Lord Shiva not get Lala's darshan?
Lord Shiva, he was very fearful for his Nandi.
Now what is so funny?
Because Nand Baba was giving so much of charity, even of cows. And Shivji, he had come with his Nandi and was worried. If he goes any closer, even his Nandi would be given in charity.
Got it, got it.
This is mine. This is mine, Suzuki. This is mine. This is mine. I had it first. Now I have. So what? This is Braj. So इधर गोपियों का राज चले है. Gopis rule Braj.
ऐसे कैसे? How come? अरे लाला ऊधम काय कर रहे हैं? Why you messing with gopis? Don't you know? Even Nandlal loses to them. उंगली पे नाच नचाए देंगी, इन्हें जाने ना सांवरिया. हाँ उंगली पे नाच नचाए देंगी, इन्हें जाने ना सांवरिया.
Ah, even when Lord Shiva had come here, he had to plead a gopi only. Ah! Did you know that? Now don't mess around with us.
What? What are you all saying? Which gopi are you talking about?
अरे दीदी ब्रिज में आनंद ही आनंद है. You are planning to go to the Himalayas from Braj, and there in Mount Kailash, Lord Shiva was making preparations to come here to Vrindavan.
गिर गए क्या बाबा?
अलख निरंजन.
बाबा, where have you come from?
I have come from a distant place and with lot of hope that I'll receive some charity here.
हाँ बाबा, our Nand Baba and Yashoda Maya, they are very charitable. And you know what? You are going to be fully satisfied. I am sure.
अलख निरंजन.
यशोदा मैया, ओ यशोदा मैया, हाँ लाली आती हूँ. मैया, one Baba has come at your door. I heard. But this Krishna, no, he's just not letting. Oh Maya, you give him to me. देख लाली, my Lala just loves to be with Brajvasis. कैसे चुप कर गया? By the way, Maya, you would have never seen such a yogi before. And I think you will never see one like him also. Acha, let me go and see who he is. Some saint has come at our doorstep. Maybe he will bless my Lala. Really feel fortunate. Baba, where have you come from?
अलख Niranjan. I have come from very far, Maya, from the caves of Himalaya, from Mount Kailash.
भोजन पाओगे बाबा?
ये ना चाहिए मैया. What will I do with this? Today I will eat this sumptuous lunch, and tomorrow I will be hungry again.
I'm so sorry, Baba. I forgot to get the dakshina only.
अरे ना मैया, मेरा स्वरूप देखो है. Do you think I am here for some dakshina? Who in this world is satisfied with money, Maya?
So that means you want some gold and jewels, Baba.
Yes, jewels, but not these jewels. I want to see the real jewel of Vrindavan.
Real jewel?
I have heard that you have been blessed with a baby boy.
हाँ बाबा.
तोरे लाला के दर्शन करा दे, और किछु नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything else. Only one darshan of your Lala. बड़ी दूर.
I will get some gold and some jewels, Baba.
अरे भैया, I told you, I really don't want these jewels. In fact, I have many. Here, Maya, see this. I don't need them. For me, these are just pieces of stones.
Baba, that means you're a Mayavi? Or maybe a demon? I can only give you this much. You want to take this? या फिर अपना रास्ता पकड़ो.
अरे इतना निर्दयी मत बन मैया.
बाबा, आपने अपना रूप देखियो है? I'm an old woman and I'm getting scared of you. Can you imagine what will happen to my Nana, little boy? And what if one of these snakes falls on him?
अरे मैया, don't worry. Your Lala will never be scared of snakes. अरे he sleeps on a snake. वो तो सांप पे सोए है. And later on in his life, he is going to dance on a huge snake.
He is not a snake charmer's son. गोप का लाला है वो. I think you have come on a wrong address only.
अरे मैया, I have come on the right address. I know.
Braj has many small boys. जा उनके दर्शन कर ले.
अरे लेकिन मैया, आनंद तो तेरे लाला के दर्शन से ही मिलो है. Because he is source of all the आनंद.
See, Baba, I'm a very, very obstinate person. Once I have decided, हाँ.
You know, Maya, I am also no less. Once I sit here for meditation, the whole Nandagaon will not be able to move me. मैं यही धुनी रमा दूंगा.
बाबा, तू धूनी रमा या धूना? I'm not going to let you see my Lala.
यही बैठा रहूंगा जब तक.
मैं तो को दर्शन ना करवाऊंगी ना.
Okay. At least sometime you will get your Lala out of the door. Huh? That time
My house has many, many doors. Where you will be sitting, I will not come out from there. I'm telling you, Baba, do not have high hopes.
Okay then. I will try and peep through one of the windows, and I'll see him from far.
I will keep all windows closed.
Okay? But someday he will come out to play, right?
I will call all his friends home.
But then at least he will go to school.
Baba, my Lala will remain an illiterate.
At least on the day of his marriage, he will come out. अरे ब्याह तो कराएगी ना?
मेरो लाला घोड़ी ना चढ़ेगा. I will not even get him married.
क्या ब्याह नहीं करेगा? He is going to have 16,108 wives, and she is saying,
क्या?
अरे ऐसा जुल्म मत कर मैया. Please don't do this.
बाबा, तुम बैठो. I have lots of work to do. राम राम.
अरे मैया, मैं भी राम का ही भक्त हूँ. I am also Ram's devotee.
She left.
हाँ दीदी, she left.
So you mean to say he couldn't get little Lala's darshan?
Nah, he couldn't get Lala's darshan. अरे ऐसे कैसे दीदी? भोले बाबा just wouldn't leave.
Even after being insulted?
दीदी जी, he is Vaishnava नाम यथा शंभु. Do you think he'll get dissuaded by a mother's scolding? Nah.
But he's such a great personality, yeah?
Yes, that's right. And a person's greatness can
that situation?
जे बात अब पड़ी ना तुम्हारे पल्ले. Now you have understood.
What did he do next? Bhaiya, please tell me, what did he do next?
What else could he do, Didi? He just prayed, and prayed.
Arey, Lala, what happened? He loves this toy otherwise, but today he is rejecting all toys. लागे है कोई नया खिलौना चाहिए. He seems to want some new toy. लाली कुछ करो ना. Maybe he's hungry, but I just fed him. He's not some machine. He's a small child. Maybe he's hungry again. Maybe you're right. I will just feed him and come back. Yashoda also not sometimes. He's refusing to drink milk. Oh, maybe it's his stomach. दूध ज़्यादा पी लिया होगा. Maybe you overfed him. Just make up your mind. Is he hungry or he's overfed?
Bhaiya, I will just go and get some meal.
Please.
See, he's just going to be fine now.
You both are amateurs. I have brought up so many children. वाको नजर लग गई है.
Nazar?
हाँ, नजर. हाँ, that Baba had come, no? Wanted to see my Lala. Which Baba? हाँ, क्या बोले था? सांप पे सोएगा, नाचेगा. Must be him only. हाँ, जा, ड्राई नमक लेकर आ.
Maya, it was that Baba only.
I get only mustard seeds and salt or even chili. No, really? That's not required, Nana. यशोदा मैया की, नंद बाबा की, रोहिणी मैया की. वो सांप वाले बाबा की भी. हाँ, वो सांप वाले बाबा की भी. वो सांप वाले बाबा की सबकी नजर नाला के ऊपर से निकल जाए. हे नारायण.
Hey Narayan, thank you. Our Lala has finally become quiet.
Do you think that Baba was a Mayavi? Looking at him, I did get scared. But honestly, in my heart, I felt a kind of bliss.
Which is true.
Not again, Lala. I have so much of experience. I know. Now I know for sure. Some kind of bhoot pret, ghostly being has taken over our Lala.
क्या?
हाँ. What are you saying?
Nah, that is not possible only.
यशोदा, ओ यशोदा,
प्रणाम मासी मैया.
काफी रो रहा है लाला.
क्या बताऊं मैया? For so long he has been trying. He's just not stopping only.
भूखा होगा. Must be hungry.
Try.
Stomach pain.
We tried everything. यशोदा, झाड़ फूक वाले को बुलाए नहीं आती हूँ. I'm just going to get an exorcist now. I'm so worried, मैया.
Everything will be okay, Yashoda.
What has happened to our Lala?
Hey Ram. Now, where will exorcist. झाड़ फूक वाले बाबा लगे हैं. Should I ask him? But he seems to be in meditation. What if he curses me? But for my Lala, I will do everything. Baba, oh Baba.
अलख निरंजन.
भूत पिशाच उतारना आता है? Do you know how to remove these ghosts from the body?
That depends on whose body the ghost has entered.
अपनी यशोदा मैया है ना?
Who? यशोदा मैया?
You know her?
No. You continue.
Her small little son, he's been crying for so long. But why don't you ask? You tell me whether you know how to remove these ghostly beings from our little Lala's body?
It seems Krishna has started the Leela. I think I should start too. अरे लाली, मुझसे पूछ रही है? मेरा तो नाम ही भूतनाथ है.
Really?
Yes, my name is only Bhutnath. Rather, I control all the ghosts in the entire universe. चुटकी में I will stop his crying. चलो, where do you want to go?
अरे सच्ची बाबा, भगवान आपकी सब मनोकामना पूरी करे. May all your wishes be fulfilled. Come with me, Baba. Come. बाबा, आप यहीं रुको, मैं आती हूँ. यशोदा, oh Yashoda, see who has come with me.
Maiya, he is that same Baba who was wanting to see your Lala.
He had come.
Yes. The one who has a snake instead of a country Lala.
Maya, you had asked to leave. क्या करती है गोपी? He's a मायावी. He must have come to harm my baby. But he said, what did he say? That he can remove ghosts from the body. अभी उसको वापस भेज. Yashoda, do you have faith in me? Of course, Puranmachi Maya. Then go and call him. He is a very elevated personality and has come from Kailash. Seeing him, your Lala will stop crying. But Maya, he has snakes around his neck. Shant ho jaye, Yashoda. But Maya, you want to see your Lala happy, Yashoda? He can make my Lala happy, Maya. हाँ Yashoda, you do one thing. Don't take Lala near him. तो दूर ठीक है ना? Me, the topmost priority is my Lala's pleasure. If he can make my Lala happy, then I'm ready to beg him, Maya. जा गोपी, भीतर बुला ला. Ask him to come in. आ जाओ बाबा, यशोदा is calling you.
Sudhe ghate
मैया, ये बाबा तो जानकार लगे हैं. You were right about him.
All ghosts have been removed, मैया. सारे भूत उतर गए.
सारे भूत उतर गए लाला. All ghosts have been removed. लेकिन ऐसे कैसे? कोई मंत्र तो फूका नहीं कान में. बाबा, you didn't even chant any mantra in his ears. What if that ghost enters my lala again?
See, if you want that, then you will have to get him closer to me.
भूतनाथ बाबा की जय. भूतनाथ बाबा की जय. रे रे जोगी नंद भवन में ब्रज में वासो कीजिए. जब जब लाला रोए तब तब दर्शन दीजिए. बाबा, I have one request. Please stay back here. Whenever my lala cries, please be there to make him happy.
Okay, मैया. But I also have one condition.
Condition, Baba? I will accept all conditions for my Lala. Please tell me.
Maya, I have heard that you make lots of nice preparations for your Lala. And he eats very little. So whatever remains in his plate, please give it to me every day.
Yes, Baba. I promise you that from today onwards, in Nanda Bhavan, after my Lala is fed, you will be the first person to receive his remnants.
Do you know, even today in Nand Bhavan, after the bhoga is offered to Krishna Balaram, it is offered to Lord Shiva, who stays in Nand Bhavan as Nandishwar Mahadev. And the same Lord Shiva is still meditating at the foothills of Nandagaon as Ashishwar Mahadev.
Asheshwar Mahadev ki jai.
Jai Ho!
But Bhaiya, please tell me, which special mantra did Lord Shiva chant in his ears?
He did not chant any mantra.
Then what?
He just whispered. He whispered the name of Madan Mohan Mohini. He just said, Radhe Radhe. This is the potency of Srimati Radharani's name. Just her name can make Krishna happy. Tapta Kanchan Gaurangi Shri Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishubhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Pranamami Hari Priye Pranamami Hari
Lord Shiva's story is so inspiring. He did not lose hope, na Bhaiya?
Yes, just like Mukunda, who was told by Lord Chaitanya that he will see the Lord after 10 million births.
I shall see Lord Chaitanya only after 10 million births.
This is absolutely unheard of. So much patience, tolerance, and determination. They were from a different era only, yeah.
But we have an example of a person who came just now.
Who, bhaiya?
The person who received an instruction from his spiritual master in 1922, and having complete faith in that instruction, he strived to fulfill it. The person who single-handedly took the message of Lord Chaitanya in the English language and inundating the entire world with love of Godhead. A 70-year-old man in an unknown land. It wasn't easy for him. It wasn't easy for him. Having hope against hope, he ultimately became successful after 44 long years.
This is the arrangement of Krishna. If we strictly try to serve the spiritual master, his order, then Krishna will give us all the. That is the secret. Although there was no possibility, I never thought, but I took it very seriously by studying a commentary by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur on the Bhagavad Gita. In the Bhagavad Gita, the verse Gausha Gita Ruddhi Regiha Purnanda. In connection with that verse, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, his commentary that we should take up the word from the spiritual master as our life and soul. We should try to carry out the instruction, the specific instruction of the spiritual master very easily, without caring for our personal benefit at all. So, this is a member of the way, but it is I am trying little bit, and you are all helping me. So I have to thank you more. You are actually